In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule for LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan a LinkedIn post in advance using Later, so you can publish at the perfect time without having to be online. First, log into your Later account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with access to the calendar and your media library. If you manage multiple social profiles in Later, make sure the correct LinkedIn option is available in your workspace so you can assign the post to the right place. Next, upload your media to the media library. Click the upload button and add the image or video you want to share on LinkedIn. Give it a moment to process. Keeping your visuals in the media library makes them easy to reuse and ensures you're pulling from the correct files when it's time to schedule. If your file is large, let it fully finish uploading so the editor opens smoothly later. Now drag the media from the library straight onto a date on the calendar. You can drop it on a specific day and time slot, or just onto the day if you plan to adjust the time in the editor. This action opens the Post Composer, where you'll set the final details for LinkedIn. Select your LinkedIn profile or page. In the Composer, choose whether this post is going to a personal profile or a company page. Double-check this selection so your content publishes to the intended audience. If you oversee several pages, take a second to confirm the thumbnail or name before you move on. Write your caption and add any links. Keep your message clear and focused on one main takeaway. If you're sharing an article, paste the link directly into the caption so it's easy for people to click. You can include a few relevant hashtags to increase discoverability, but keep them purposeful and aligned with your topic. Choose the date and time, then click Schedule. Pick a posting time that matches when your audience is most likely to be active, and confirm your time zone is correct in your later settings. After you hit Schedule, your post will appear on the calendar with the chosen time, indicating it's queued and ready to publish automatically. That's it, you logged in, uploaded your media, dragged it to the calendar, selected your LinkedIn profile or page, wrote a strong caption with any links, and scheduled the exact time. With this workflow, you can plan days or weeks of LinkedIn content in one focused session and stay consistent without the last-minute scramble.